Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video, I'm going to document and demonstrate some of the interesting stuff around using includes in Studio, and just good to know because it's a little confusing at first, but you just have to understand how it works, and let's start plugging into it here. So I have two functions. They're in the same file, which is in a folder under my lib folder. And of course, for AutoHotkey to run, because they're under my lib folder within this where the script is, it'll run fine, right? So I can launch this and it'll run. Let me pop open so you can see it here. This is the file that we just looked at, and notice here where it is. So that's where my test folder is, and then under lib I have it there, right? By the way, I can hit alt left arrow. Oh, come on. Why is it not going back? I don't know. All right. Oh, I am back. Duh. Sorry, it changed so fast I didn't even see it. That's funny. But the Intellisense, this is what's interesting to me. I didn't use an include. Like, notice right here, that actually isn't available, right? So the Intellisense, when I start typing func, actually it will show up because it's right there. But let me delete it. When I start typing func, you'll see func2, right? There's func2, but no func _1. Right? That's because it's not included. So Studio doesn't automatically go through all of your files in that lib. There's like 4 or 5 locations. I store a ton under my AutoHotkey where the program's installed lib folder, and that's part of why Maestrith didn't do this, was because, like, for me, I had hundreds of files in my lib folder, and to scan each one of those and to bring all that stuff in, that would probably be a lot of stuff. It's irrelevant, and you wouldn't want that. So all you have to do is use an include. And now I'm going to save this. The other thing is you need to refresh your. So even though I included it, right? Let's see if actually we'll pick it up. I don't remember here. I don't think it does until we func. Yeah, so see, it's still not there, but I can hit alt M, refresh, and I'll do the project. Well, not project. I'm gonna do current project, which I have as Control R as a hotkey. I added that. So when I do that, now notice right here. Now this is here. It wasn't here before, right? And now when I start typing func, you have both func1 and func2. Right, and notice that actually, apparently I didn't do good cases. This is actually one of the reasons why I love using this Intellisense, because then I get the right one, right? So it's a great, easy way. And again, I just made a video about this, but you can hit Alt F1 and it'll jump to that function if you're in there, right? Even if it's in a different file or whatever, it doesn't matter. So, like, again, in my Excel library, which is in my main programs folder where AutoHotkey is installed under that lib, I have a lot of Excel functions. And so let me get rid of these and this. It doesn't matter. So when I type Excel, it doesn't come up with anything, right? So again, I can include it. And now, again, I'm going to hit Control R instead of doing the project refresh. Notice here, test. Now it's listed, right? And now when I start typing Excel, see, all of the all my Excel functions are available, and this is freaking awesome because I can't remember exactly how each one of these are, right? But the only thing is, even though, like, I put it specifically in my library so I didn't have to use an include, however, if you want the Intellisense to go pick it up, you need to use an include. So that's it. I hope that helps. It's a great functionality. Thank you.